There's a kitty cat over there. Do you see it? Ice cream!
I want ice cream.
I want ice cream!
Can I get ice cream?
It's so loud, my goodness. People are trying to sleep here, lady.
I want some ice cream.
I want some ice cream too. Hey, this is the first time we're going to the pool in like forever, right? Right. Okay.
I saw a bat.
And we saw a bat, and there's a broken owl here. See? Broken owl. And the ice cream guy is over, if you can hear it. Hi, fake owl.
I thought it was real when it first opened. You ready?
And there's a turtle in there. And yeah. And now I am taking out the trash. It is Saturday one more time. And I am taking out the trash. Saturday one more time. Saturday one more time. Taking out the trash. What are you doing? I'm taking out the trash. We were at the pool earlier. Saw the fake owls. I'm taking out the trash. Taking out the trash. Dylan Hauser is taking out the trash. Okay, tomorrow is Sunday, Palm Sunday, if you know what that is. If you know, you know. Today is something Saturday, I don't know. Somebody's walking the dog. Somebody's walking the dog. Alright, I'm back inside, and I'm going to say bye. Bye. Alright, bonus. Taking this out to the trash. Double duty trash bonus. Got a package today and a big old piece of package stuffing material things. Looks like a big old scarf. Might as well throw it away outside so it doesn't take up the whole garbage can inside. Okay. It's so warm out here. It feels like 80 degrees. This one might be another long video today. Alright. Okay, be back later, baby. Maybe, baby, whatever.